So in this lecture, I'll show you some another special case, and all these types are very important for any entrance examination as well as a school examination. So in this case, dx by lx plus m into root over px plus q. Whenever outside the root linear and inside the root linear, it means it is in the form of dx by linear root over of linear. So inside the root over, suppose L1, L2 equal to t square. Remember this, and this is very frequently required for any examination. So what will I do? Let's start the sum. Suppose I am giving you one example. Dx by 2x plus 1 into root over of x. Constant is not a matter at all. Outside linear, inside linear. Inside equal to, in this case inside is x. Inside equal to t square. What will do? X equal to t square. So dx equal to 2t dt. So dx ka jagah pe we can write 2t dt. And this is x is root over of t square and 2t square plus 1. So root over of t square means t. So this is getting cancelled. It is getting cancelled. And we are getting here 2. And that 2 is outside. Because let's remember one thing. We have to keep, there's another way also, but it's better that if we can keep the coefficient of the square, that is unity. Okay, so in this case t square plus half, I can write here dt by t square plus 1 by root 2 square. Therefore I can write here 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, t by 1 by root 2 plus c. Now we can calculate. One more example I am showing you. Suppose there is one example. Integration dx by root of x plus 1 into root over of x minus 2. So in this case, what should be the coefficient of x? It does not matter. Matter is only outside linear. Here once again I am writing here dx by linear 1 root over linear 2. So L2 equal to t square. So here L2 is L2 का मतलब x minus 2 equal to t square. So dx equal to 2t dt. Therefore I can write here 2t dt by, instead of x I can write t square plus 2 plus 1 into root over of t square का मतलब t. And here it is t by t is cancelled. And finally 2 is outside. Dt by t square plus 3. Instead of 3 we can write root 3 square because we will get the direct formula. So root 3 square. So 2 1 by a tan inverse x by a is the formula. So 1 by root 3 tan inverse t by root 3 plus c. Sums over. One more example I am showing you on this. So in this case, dx by 2x plus 1 into root over of x plus a square. A square is any constant number. So what will do? X plus a square equal to t. So dx equal to dt. So I can write here that dt by 2x plus 1 we have to express in terms of t. So outside, let us do one thing. X equal to t minus a square. So 2x plus 1, that is 2 into t minus a square plus 1, that is 2t plus 1 minus 2a square. So a is the constant number, so don't worry with the a. Therefore I can write here 2t plus a minus 1 minus 2a square into root over of t square, and this is coming x plus a, sorry, x plus a equal to t square. So this is 2t dt. Numerator is 2t. So once again, this root over of t square coming out as t and 2 is coming outside. Therefore, I can write here 2 dt, 2 go outside karo. So t plus 1 minus 2a square. This is coming, oh, this is coming t square. This is coming t square. So t square is by 2. Whatever will be the constant, but it is a constant number. Constant which we, that is not a problem. Problem is that dt by t square plus root over of 1 minus 2a square by 2 whole square. So 1 by a का मतलब यार 1 minus 2a square by 2 tan inverse t by root over of 1 minus 2a square by 2 plus c and sum is of 2.